How to use Odoo Studio to customize apps. No coding needed. Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Odoo Studio, your no-code toolkit to customize Odoo apps like sales, CRM, and inventory. Want to add fields, redesign views, or set up automations? Studio lets you do all that without writing a single line of code. Let's get started. To begin, open the app you want to customize. Click the pencil icon on the top right. This activates Studio mode. If you don't see it, make sure Studio is included in your plan. Want to store extra info like special instructions? Just drag a text field to your form, name it, and tweak settings like required or default value. It's that simple. Studio lets you redesign how your data appears. Drag fields into list or Kanban views to make key info visible at a glance. Say you want to auto-email your team when an order exceeds $500. Head to Automations, set the trigger and condition, then choose an action. Done. Need something totally custom? Create a new app. Define fields, layouts, and workflows tailored to your process. Plan your changes, test in a safe environment, and keep things simple. That's how you get the most from Odoo Studio. Found this helpful? Smash that like button and tell us your favorite Studio tweak in the comments. Subscribe for more Odoo tips.